श्रवणो कलाय हस्तो च कर्मसु मनस्तव पादयोर्नः स्मृत्यां शिरस्तव निवासि जगत्प्रणामे दृष्टिः सतां दर्शनेऽस्तु भवद्गतिः।
Narada Muni travels all over various universes and meets many great devotees of the Lord. He wondered, who is the greatest devotee amongst them all? So he decided to go to Dwarka to meet Krishna and ask Krishna himself. He therefore went to the Lord's palace while singing the Lord's glories on his veena.
My dear Queen, I have come to ask the Lord a very important question. Please take me to him.
O great sage, please come immediately. My lord is in great pain. I do not know how to relieve him of his pain.
My lord, what has happened?
Suffering from a severe headache. If I do not get the proper medicine before sunset, then my life will be at risk.
My lord, what is this medicine? No matter how hard it is to find, I will get it for you.
It is the dust from my devotee's lotus feet. Only this medicine will cure my headache.
Dear Krishna, this will be very easy to do. You have to go all over the universe. I will go immediately and find the cure.
Confident that he would be able to get the medicine very quickly, he went straight to Krishna's queens.
स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः।
Oh Narada, it's such an honor to welcome you to.
Please tell us how I can serve you, dear Narada.
Our Lord is suffering from a severe headache, and the only cure is the dust of his devotee's lotus feet to cure his headache. Please give me the dust of your lotus feet to give to Krishna and cure his headache.
What? How can we give the dust from our feet? I'll never do that. We are very sorry, but I cannot get the dust from our feet.
Narada Muni went to all the other queens, but none of them would give the dust of their feet for the same reason. Narada Muni went traveling across the universe to see the great demigods, Brahma, Lord Shiva, and Indra.
My dear demigods, I have come to ask you to please give me the dust of your feet.
Why do you need the dust from our feet?
Our Lord is suffering from a severe headache, and the only cure is the dust of his devotees' feet to cure his headache.
How can we get the dust from our feet? We will not get the dust from our feet.
Impossible, this will be a great offense.
We go to him.
We cannot get the dust from our
नित्यकैङ्कर्यप्राप्त्युपाय भूतभक्ति तदुपाय सम्यक् तदुपाय समीचीनक्रिया तदनुगुणसात्विकतास्तिख्यादि समस्तात्मगुणविधीनः दुरुत्तरानन्तर
Narada Muni saw some Brahmanas worshipping Lord Krishna with great devotion in a temple, so he decided to ask them.
How do you know that? How can we serve you? Please tell us what we can do for you.
Our most worshipful Lord is suffering from a severe headache, and if we do not find the proper and the only cure is the dust of his devotees' lotus feet to cure his headache. Please give me some of your dust to give to Krishna.
What this one up? This should be where I said. I won't do.
We are very sorry, but we cannot help you. Narada Muni was extremely disappointed. He returned to Dwarka unsuccessful in his attempts. Narada Muni felt sad that after seeing so many great devotees of the Lord, he could not fulfill his mission. He went to Krishna and explained how no one wants to give the dust from their feet.
My Lord, I have come unsuccessfully. Everyone is afraid of giving me their dust. Everyone is afraid of making the fence to give their dust.
Have we asked the gopis of Vrindavan?
What? I've been everyone except Vrindavan.
Please go to Vrindavan and tell the gopis about my headache.
जो
Narada Muni immediately went to Vrindavan. There, on the banks of the Yamuna River, he saw Radharani surrounded by her Sakis. With their faces turned in the direction of Dwarka, they were all crying in separation from their beloved Krishna. When they saw Narada Muni, they became very happy. Wiping the tears of their eyes, they greeted Narada.
Have you come from Dwarka?
Were you with our Krishna? How's our Krishna? Please tell us. My dear gopis, I have come from seeing the Lord and I bear bad news. Your beloved Krishna has been suffering from a horrible headache early since this morning. Oh no, our Krishna is sick!
What is the medicine? How can he be cured?
I have searched all over the universe to try and find the medicine, but I have failed.
What is the medicine? How can he be cured?
Krishna said that the only cure is the dust of his devotees. Lotus feet will cure his headache.
How will the dust from our feet cure Krishna?
Krishna said that the dust from the feet of his devotees will be.
Anything for our beloved Krishna. We will do whatever it takes to cure Krishna, even if it means we go to hell.
Immediately, Srimati Radharani and the gopis collected the dust from their feet and gave it to Narada Muni. Narada Muni was surprised to see them so willingly give their dust.
Thank you, my dear gopis. Please go
Narada Muni immediately left for Dwarka to see Krishna. Narada was in great ecstasy as he carried the dust from the gopis' lotus feet on his head.
Oh Narada, my lord has just lost consciousness. Please tell me you have the cure.
Yes, my queen. I have it with me. Take me to your lord immediately. I'm completely cured. My headache is gone. See, the gopis of Vrindavan are my most greatest and dearest devotees. They were not afraid of going to hell for me.
Lord Krishna, being seated in everyone's heart, knew that Narada Muni was in search of the greatest devotee. Thus, he arranged this wonderful pastime to show Narada Muni who the greatest devotees are. This most holy dust of the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani and her Sakis is called Gopi Chandan. This is the Gopi Chandan tilak that we use every day to mark our bodies with the Lord's different names.
everybody remember the lines. And you look amazing. Thank you for the parents helping with the dress up. And big thank you to Gurukula, to Sarati. She helped with the music, the costumes, everything. She's got a lot of experience in drama. And also Tulsi and Osawari, they were there for every rehearsals. And thank you.